How to make the most of your health insurance. Tia wants to make sure she's taking advantage of all the benefits that are included in her health insurance plan, so she meets with Jessie, her HR manager, to explore what's covered beyond major medical, emergency care, and prescriptions. Your healthcare plan probably covers much more than you think, so let's make sure you're getting your money's worth. Most health insurance plans cover annual physical checkups, as they are considered preventative care. This might include some cancer and diabetes screenings, helping you keep on top of any changes to your health. Your plan may also cover wellness screenings for free or at a reduced rate with a licensed physical therapist to address any physical aches or pains. Mental health assessments might also be covered to support your emotional and mental well-being. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just not yourself, remember that your plan may cover this too. You can also save some money if you choose generic prescription medications and have them sent to you by mail-order pharmacies instead of traditional ones. Dental and vision insurance are often separate from your health insurance, but many plans include unexpected perks. Check if yours includes a rebate for dental cleanings or for a pair of glasses each year. That's money back in your pocket. Your health insurance plan likely covers more than major medical, emergency care, and prescriptions. Dive into the details to uncover valuable benefits already included at no or reduced cost. Then, if you want to explore other plans, make sure you factor in these benefits when comparing options.